Hi there, Volker here from MSO-dlx, talking about a solution to get at the data the energy logger is writing onto the SD card. I've done some research, you probably too, and you may not have found something to your satisfaction, so maybe you want to have a look at my solution. Based on my research results, I created an Excel file. I found some Excel stub which I extended. If you want to read in the binary data, you click on this button over here. I have two folders containing data files from the energy logger. The top file contains summary information, is only 1K, and the other files contain records by the minutes, 11K of size. So let's read in these data. This found six files, and it may take up to 10 seconds to read in a file, but only if you read in data of half a year's duration or something. And the read-in process, the file is going to be saved after every fifth file. So in case of early exit, you have secured what you've got so far. All right. Then it's been my observation that every so often the energy logger writes invalid files. Those files are going to be skipped. I've taken a deeper look, I did some analysis, but I've never got some useful data out of those files. So these files are going to be skipped. The read-in process can be logged. Do we want to have a log file of the process? Oh yes, let's get one. Do you want to write the data into a CSV file, a comma-separated file? Yes. And do you want this worksheet filled in? Yes. So now, for files, then the data sets are read into this file or written to the CSV file. And here we go. Process finished. Let's have a look at the readout log. We've got an invalid file that's been skipped. We've got 4 valid data files, one of which contained only 390 data sets, and we've got the summary file, the starting date in the records, the starting dates in the data records, and it took some 3 seconds to read each data file. All right, the CSV file looks like this. We've got the primary data logged by the energy logger, the date, the voltage, the amps, then the phase phi in the respective data file, and this time it's been some 6,500 data sets, so 6,500 minutes recorded. In the Excel sheet, you get charts for quick eyeballing to get an impression, and the various power types are calculated and plotted as well. So in blue the voltage and red the current. The CSV file is placed in the data files directory. The readout log is placed in the folder containing the energy logger. So you want to read in more data. You click on this button again. This time let's get the data set 1 without a log, without CSV. Just fill in the Excel table. And here we go. That's the data contained in the other folder containing data sets. So you see, a new worksheet's been written. You can accumulate over time. You can do more analysis here in Excel. Or if you have special analysis software, of course, you can import the CSV into your analysis data software. Hope this is helpful. It's pretty painless, I think, if you write extensions, if you improve on my solution, then please raise a pull request in GitHub so everyone can benefit from it. I hope that's helping you. So long, Volker from MSO-dlx.